Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to access photo mode screenshots outside Forza Horizon 6. So finding those photos is really easy. First open pause menu. From here go to creative tab. Under it select photo gallery and then it will show you all of the photos you have captured in your game. Now select the photo which you want to access. So let's say I want to access this photo. Then for that we need to just select it by pressing A on Xbox, cross on PlayStation, or just select it on your computer like this. Then we need to select share option and now select share again. After that this photo will be shared on your Forza Horizon 6 account. Now to access this photo outside of the game we need to open any of the browser and then go to forza.net/myforza. On this website we need to click on sign in. Now sign in here with the same Microsoft account you are using for Forza Horizon 6. Give the password and you will log in on this website. Just scroll down here and you will find grid all images. Select it and then you will be able to access all the images you have shared from your photo mode. So this is the image I just shared. So this was the process. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.